Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a TikTok profile view option not showing in iPhone. So guys, if you are iPhone user and when you open your profile and here you can see here is the option that is profile view. So guys, if you not have this option in your TikTok, then I'll help you how to get this option. So guys, you can easily get this option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back, and guys after going to back you need to open your settings in your iPhone, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys after doing this, simply you need to go back. And guys secondly, you need to update your TikTok. So guys, due to update many features are not available. So guys, simply you need to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys after opening app store, simply you need to search here TikTok. And guys after searching TikTok, you need to, here you can see here the option of update. Simply you need to update your app from here, and guys after doing this update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still not showing the profile view option, then guys you need to open your TikTok app. And guys after this you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines, and guys click on settings and privacy. And after doing this, simply you need to scroll it down. And guys after this, here you can see here is the option of report a problem. Simply you need to click on this tab. And guys after this you need to wait for a few seconds, and guys you need to click on account and profile. And guys after this you need to wait, and guys after this you need to click on profile page. And guys after this you need to click on other. And guys after this, simply you need to click on need more help, and guys after this you will find this type of interface. So guys, here you need to write your problem, that profile view option not showing on your main profile of TikTok. And guys after writing your problem, you need to add any screenshot in which you have not option of profile view. And guys after this you need to write your username and email address in which you have make your TikTok account. And guys after this, simply you need to submit your request. And guys after submitting this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to get your profile view option. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.